Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. Uh, boy, it's about 10 minutes to 2 p.m. on Saturday, May 3rd, 2025. I'm tired. I just got back from the Ham Radio Media Club Hamfest. Boy, I did real good. I emptied out the chair. The only thing I brought home was the two milk crates and about seven items. And somewhere around 700, and I was giving it away and made $700. That's okay. Folks got a real good deal, and what I didn't sell, I gave to the club as here's stuff to use, and they will definitely put it to use. A couple of books I had, gave them to them as door prizes, and I was avoiding door prize. I did not register for anything. They didn't even get me for a chance at the grand prize radio. And I stayed there until 1 o'clock when they called that and then said, whatever's here, get it. Some folks came over and wiped it out. Thank you. Like I said, I only came home with a couple of items that, well, I wanted to sell them, and if I'd have sold them at my price, I would have gladly, you know, let them go. But they didn't go for my price. They'll be cheaper to carry with me. So I'm down to one HF rig, one handheld. I don't even have a little 2 meter mobile unit anymore. I think I'm down 5 radios. Yeah. Yeah, 5 radios. And that's not counting the little QRP ones, the little ones I built. I think I got rid of 3 of those. So, yeah. But those things are, a couple inches square, half-inch tall. Uh, they're Diddy Dotty radios, Morse code, CW. Oh, Lordy. Anyway, uh, the only thing I intentionally came home with uh, that I picked up there, I was like, I got a couple things here. I don't know how well it shows, but yeah, all that is gone. Sorry, earthquake. There we go. Now, I'm tired. Been up all night, worked all night, and did all this. Ran around, talked to everybody, and sold stuff. And they actually had a Roach Coach slinging burgers over there, and it was real good hamburgers, but way more than what it should have been. Cost of inflation is horrible. Uh, yeah, but yes, very profitable day. Uh, I'm not exactly sure. I haven't counted it yet. I got a ballpark, and I think I made more money after that. So uh, that's okay. I've got enough money to go put it in the bank, and I'm trying to decide right now whether I'm going to put it in the bank, and Monday the paycheck comes in, and I'm trying to decide whether to buy the the Mac Air. Sorry, I'm about half falling asleep sitting here talking to you. Buy the MacBook Air, or just go ahead and buy the plane ticket and hope it works out on getting these points onto my plane ticket. Uh, I don't know. I've got some that'll cover part of it, but I'd like to take another notch out of it. And you put a, well, $850 plus tax on there, and that's a good chunk of change going toward plane ticket. So, yay. And they've got it on sale right now. So, or do I just go ahead and just buy the plane ticket? Worry about the MacBook Air later, even though it may go up in price. I don't know. It is what it is. Part of me still wants to go for the 24 gig of RAM, but to get that, I have to go through Apple, and they don't have the sale price on it. But Amazon, Apple Store, and Amazon has it on for $850 basic, and if you do the hard drive, it'll upgrade it, and yeah, but they don't have the hard upgrade to just the RAM like I want, the 24 gig of RAM. But yeah, it's a trick to get me to buy the higher end one. That's what it is. They're all waiting for me to buy. The world is conspiring to force me into it. Yeah. No, it's me wants it. But then again, I look at it and I realize that little MacBook Air, just plain Jane, bottom of the line, is more than enough. Uh, I've been running with basically the same configuration here in this MacBook or Mac Mini, and I can't say there's been a problem one with it. It's just only problem I have with it is that on occasion, you know, my internet slows down. It ain't the computer's problem. Eh. Anyway, I'm tired. I am definitely wore out. It's been a long day, and I still got to get up and go do the Evil W tonight. Um, I was coming in, bringing myself in from the house. I swung by and picked this up, treated myself because, well, I love these things. I would suggest not getting hooked on them. Slushies. The good thing is in the Philippines they're cheaper. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah, I'm about dead tired and I'm sleepy. I've got a full belly, and the only thing I really need to do is run myself through the shower because I can tell you, uh, all the dust and everything from the stuff I had, it's pretty dusty, and I'm a bit coated in dust from getting it out and running it through there and getting it out of the car to get it into the place. And yeah, I need to get cleaned up. I smell funny, which is not good. Yeah, it is what it is. Of course, it's the end of my day and I've had a long day, so it's what it's supposed to happen. But I need to now fix that problem because, well, I don't want to smell like this when I wake up, for sure. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. I hope y'all have had a blessed day. Uh, I hope your weekend is going good and you've had a lot of friends, food, and family. And again, more food. Yeah, like I say, I spent way too much on my hamburger and fries, but it was a real good hamburger. Swiss hamburger with mushrooms and bacon on it. All the lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, onions, all that crap. It was delicious. And I sat there and I held that thing while trying to talk to people. I shouldn't do that while eating. It is what it is. I hope you've had a blessed day. Anyway, I'm going to call this because, well, tired and cross-eyed. I'm Williams, Philippines. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Uh, like, comment, subscribe, do your thing. Anyway, I'm Fish. Fish is out.